it's going to be important. We all have trouble trying to align ourselves, so it's going to be important to practice this every once in a while. So whenever you come to the driving range the next time, we'll have you use either an alignment stick or you can use a club just to sit down at your feet to try to visualize where you're aiming. Because whenever you can be just a few yards off, but that can affect a lot of things to where if you're aimed just a little bit right, as we were talking about, it's easy to come back over the ball, which can really exaggerate the alignment issue. And then also one other thing you can work on while you're practicing as well would be to pick out an intermediate target between the ball and your eventual target. Just even if just a piece of grass or a tee or whatever, that can make a big difference on your alignment. What we've worked on with that rib breaker, we'll try to do that drill at least 2 to 3 times a week to make sure that we really get that feeling of the left arm and the left wrist staying straight throughout the chipping motion there, because whenever that passes, we can get in trouble that way. So I'd recommend probably hitting 20 to 30 balls at least twice a week, trying to keep that left arm straight by using that alignment rod as an indicator if the club head's passing or not. After watching you hit a few putts, and we've kind of talked about trying to keep the putter face going towards the target the whole way, there's one way that you can do this. You can tape a golf tee to the face here to where the pointed end is sticking out away from the club head. And this is a good visual to see if the face is staying square. All you have to do is tape that tee to the face, and basically that tee should be pointed towards the target or somewhat close to the target throughout the whole stroke. You're not actually going to hit any putts while doing that, but that gives you a good idea of where the face is aimed. So if you've opened the face and you're going to see that the tee is pointed out to the right there, if you've closed it, you're going to see that the tee is pointed to the left. So that would be a good thing to practice once or twice a week, just to grab that tee and make 10 to 15 strokes, just to see that tee pointed towards the target the whole way. And I think that would help improve your distance and direction.
Good. Right.
When we were working on your posture, we were talking about how your right side was just a little bit lower, creating some overspin, the club getting just a little bit shallow. So we'll try, like we were saying earlier, to get a little bit more weight on your left side and open that stance a little bit, which is going to create getting a little bit steeper. So the next time you're out practicing, we'll probably have you hit 40 to 50 balls, really exaggerating, getting some weight on that left side to help create that steepness, to help get it up in the air. So probably the next 2 to 3 weeks, I would really exaggerate getting up. You could even stand basically just on one foot, really trying to exaggerate getting the weight to the left side. But I'd probably practice at least 2 to 3 days a week, really exaggerating getting that weight to the left side. And I think that'll help get the ball more up